brand.
Siyempre malakas po ito na brand ito. Kasama po
Ayan.
nasa lamang, pero Nestle product.
Mama, hawan.
Mabuti na lang nahuli ka agad.
Pero talaga kami, ano lang, kasi maliit itong tindahan, so kung ano lang talagang demand ng tao. So, cater tayo sa masa eh.
Oo. The one that cater to the masses. Pero very aware sila. Walang pumunta ko dito. Uy, kami rin. Meron kami mga baby. Yung namin.
This store, Ma'am Yana Estrella is catering
Tras na.
kaya mababa presyo nila dito.
Ah, you sell back. Parang ano, parang yung uni-white.
Yes, ma'am. In fact, yung kanilang mga gatas, even lower than the SRP.
Ganun.
Tras. Palito, tras.
May ano
Oh, ito. Oh, meron ba tayo camera dyan? Meron ba tayo
Ma'am.
dito sa Yana, sa lahat ng silang gatas pumasa. At saka salamat sa Alaska, nag-roll back.
Teka. Alaska. Tras na.
Congrats sa mga po.
Alright ka na.
SM ito, no? Hello. So walang problema ang infant milk of any brand. So we'll go to the grown-up milk. Kanina nga yung mga customers went to the Aliana in Pasay. The customers order ni Ma'am, yung mga anak namin, mga baby. You know, so they were pero none of the Aliana was well, the two supermarkets we've seen, they're clean, they're clear. And it's also nice to know additional information that Alaska has brought down its prices. And I noticed the housewives are all wearing Alaska box. And then bread is not going to go up in price until the end of for the rest of the year. What you have here is with milk and sugar.
Yeah, that's complete coffee mix already.
Yes, that's why on import they try out that new one.
But the China brand is very, very popular.